Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baiklah Bapak-bapak, Ibu-ibu, masyarakat Minang sedunia. Pada hari ini kita akan mengadakan interview dengan Dr. E.J. Kim ya, dari Universitas di Korea yang akan diwawancara oleh Bapak Dirwan Ahmad Darwis, Deputi Presiden Minang Diaspora Network Global. Silakan Pak Dr. Dirwan Ahmad Darwis untuk mewawancarai pakar Minangkabau dari Korea. Silakan dah.
Oke, terima kasih banyak. Pada pagi ini di Hotel Mulia, kami bertemu dengan Prof. E.J. Kim. Dalam rangka beliau ini adalah orang yang sangat tertarik terhadap budaya Minangkabau, khususnya yang berhubungan dengan women atau perempuan. Nah, bersama saya sekarang beliau ini adalah seorang profesor dalam bidang geografi yang mengajar di Universitas Nasional Korea. Okay, Prof. E.J., we have been knowing each other, and we are very happy to see you this morning. And you did some interview with our gentleman from Minangkabau Network. And then the point that I like to raise is, how do you see the Minangkabau? Why? What are the reasons behind this that you interest toward the Minangkabau culture and the Minangkabau women?
Actually, I'm from South Korea, which is notorious for low status of women in public space. But when I came to West Sumatra, I found the great woman and the Badusi tradition. So as a Korean woman, I have some new imaginations about the active role of a woman in the society. So that's the first first impression about Minangkabau women.
Okay, I know that you are now writing the book about the Minangkabau. The first book about the dream of what was that? The title of the book?
The first book was Happy Army Journey, focusing on some culture and family and happy life. And my second book is about Geography of a Dream.
Oh yeah, the Geography of the Dreams. And part of the book you are writing about the Minangkabau.
Yes.
Right?
Right.
Can you tell briefly about this?
Yes. As a geographer, I found the secret of success.
Okay.
If you really want to succeed in some field, you have to Morantau.
Okay.
But I found many Minangkabau people Morantau to seek for their dream, and they have some very special success. So I introduced the Minangkabau people in my book, Geography of Dream.
So there is more to the Morantau.
Yes.
About the geography.
Yeah.
And the second book, you are writing just about the Minangkabau.
Yes.
Okay.
Serious book about Minangkabau.
Okay.
I explored the whole Minangkabau world for about 10 years. So that is the result of my Morantau.
Okay.
To understand the Minangkabau culture and tradition and their special connection. So my third book will be maybe the best one in my life to show the secret of a Minangkabau people's success and happy life.
Can you tell a little bit of story, the background that you connect you to Minangkabau?
Personally, I had some difficult time in Korea as a woman.
Okay.
I need some role model, and then Minangkabau woman and man gave me some special insight or some lessons I had to learn. So whenever I feel tired and when I'm sad, I visit Minangkabau people's land like Bukit Tinggi, Kota Gadang, Datang, and if I meet Minangkabau woman, and I get some energy and courage to live.
Okay.
So like that.
I know that you are very interested about the Minangkabau women, and compare with the Korean women. There's a difference, and their attitudes, and their life, and what will be your main purpose in the future to come to connect between Minangkabau people, Minangkabau women especially, and the Korean women that you said you're going to learn more and to give the awareness to the Korean women about this.
Yeah. So not only Korean women, maybe Japanese women,
Okay.
or even British or European women or American women should visit the Minangkabau land,
Okay.
like Koto Gadang and Bukit Tinggi, to learn about the wisdom of old Minangkabau women and Badusi. So my dream is to make Badusi tourism happen
Ah, okay.
soon.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a kind of the tourism for Western feminists and Korean women who are struggling in their own society. If they come to Minangkabau land, they can learn something and they can be inspired. So Badusi tourism to Minangkabau cultural area.
Oh.